Yeah, they don't want to pay at all, bro. Don't matter how low you know. I got a lady that I bought the house, but man, I just had to take her to court. She having a problem. The whole time she got all the money in escrow. Instead of just giving me the money, let me solve the problem. She had me go to court for her for like cleaned all this shit.
What about that foundation crack he was talking about? Is that going to be a problem?
It's in the, you can check it out. It's in the basement.
I'm gonna hold on. Let me get the back right quick. Oh, little killer.
Yeah. Man, what I learned, bro, if you want it or you don't.
Excuse me, big dog.
Oh,
he took my shoe off. Come on, man. Trying to kill me out here.
Right. Well, you can show them, though. Yeah.
Nothing. If they want it, they gonna get up and get it for themselves.
You did the floor? You doing the floor?
I'm doing it now. I just got done. I was here last
Laying
night.
the tile, yeah.
Yeah, I was here last night doing it. It got a little cold in this motherfucker.
So you own this?
Yeah, I got to put my land back.
Well, what does that mean? I'm
You basically got to do just the main things.
So you do like you know what you invest in it, and then you know what you sell it for.
Yeah. I try to keep my investments low.
Right.
You gotta account for everything, all your material.
Yep.
And you doing it yourself, so you really saving money because you ain't paying nobody else.
Like this stuff is already here. It's plumbing.
Yeah.
Came with the house. And the electrical, I just you see what I just put they cut it out. You know they were scrapping. So I just put the blue boxes tied in everywhere where they cut it out.
So you know electrical too, then?
Everything, bro.
He said everything.
That's what's up.
Everything.
That's what's up.
They cut it out.
Like I said, to see that you can do it and you ain't gotta have nobody else do your shit, you know, I like that. That's
I think about it doing this plumbing though, because it came with the house.
Oh my God, he charged like maybe 15,000.
You do all the walls?
Yeah, to do around the it's not that big of a house, so to do all around probably like 15,000.
And would that be a problem right there, bro?
That's what I'm saying. He gonna have to do all that. They gonna put the beams around the whole basement. They're gonna, you know,
can damn
basically
see outside. You can see
you
outside.
can see, yeah.
Damn.
Put the 15.
So eventually this will fall in.
I don't think I've never seen it happen. I've never seen it happen, but yeah, it probably would eventually. Like, why you ready to get up out of here? You scared?
I said y'all know. I know this thing.
What was that? No, I ain't never seen it happen. Not in Michigan. I've seen it happen. We can walk on this? Yeah. Oh yeah, this nice. Man, I ain't, you know how to do so. Okay.
Man, I tried, bro. YouTube.
You be on
Yeah, I
YouTube
got
too?
you.
YouTube.
For real? Oh yeah.
YouTube, man.
See up here straight.
YouTube, you down there started college, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, anything you want to know.
I said, hey, my very first house, I watched YouTube on how to do everything. Yep.
No need to do nothing else.
Yep.
And your brother, he like your partner, or you just teaching him?
Yeah, it's my partner. We on the same level.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
See up here straight.
Yeah.
It don't really need much. It's just the basement got to be gonna have to spin spin a grip on the basement. But up here, this is easy work.
I got another one around the corner on Maiden.
On where?
About 6 blocks down on Maiden.
Maiden.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought Maiden was the west side. That's the east.
No, that's the east. It's about 6 blocks this way.
Oh,
It's
okay.
the Ravenville area. Right, but off Dickerson and Park Drive.
This does have 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, I see.
2 bedrooms.
So it's what? No, it's a 2 or 3.
It's 2 bedrooms
It's a
with
2.
a basement and a living room. You know, for a person, you know, trying to. You ever have problems with squatters? Like remember that situation that girl squatted in your house? Do you ever have problems with that?
My shit ain't as nice as his.
People gonna try to find a place.
People want to live, man. They ain't just trying to survive. People want to live.
Yeah, really.
So shit, they looking for something nice to squat in. They ain't gonna come.
Yeah, she hit a lick that day.
Yeah, she
Close.
Got that right there.
That's the Habitat store?
Habitat store right there, yeah.
What? Never knew that.
Yeah, that's him right there.
Nigga, I used to go to. They had one over there by where you live on right on Grossback.
No, it's on.
It's not there no more. It's not there no more. Nigga, I used to go there. Man, I told my you get everything. It was huge. It was like 7 times the size of that one.
Yeah, you talking about right there.
They used to have furniture and everything. Yup.
They got cabinets and they got nice shit in there.
They got windows?
No, man.
Damn, they got no windows. There's one on the west side got windows. On Grand River.
Yeah,
I mean Greenfield. Yeah, not Greenfield. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, man.
What's this? Hold on, I'm gonna go check this garage right quick. But
Garage gonna need some work.
probably gonna have to tear it down. I was gonna say you're gonna have to tear that down.
Yeah, it would probably be cheaper to do that than yeah, cause they gonna have to park a car back here.
Cause it got power in here, man. I've been trying to.
Yeah.
I mean, it's straight. It's just
Power in here.
I don't know. Oh wow, this nigga can get through there. But
I gotta figure out what's going on with the power.
it's not the frame. It's the ground that's making it lean like
this is
that. Cause all this wood is good. Look, it's good wood.
Why is this like this?
It's probably from a tree. Yeah, it's probably a big tree in the back. It's probably.
It was an apple tree behind me.
Oh, so they cut it down. Yeah, you cutting down too?
There's a lot of other people sitting inside that 6x6 with us. That ain't.
So how much you trying to get?
Make me an offer I can't refuse.
He said, an offer I can't refuse.
He gonna have me come out here and clean this shit.
Oh yeah, you know how to do all that? They got collard greens. Look.
We're gonna be eating this shit.
Nah.
I remember that when I was little, I ain't seen none of that type of stuff in a minute.
You know, Home Depot have them on sale for like $15.
Peach tree?
Yeah, peach tree.
And then you can finish this off, huh?
Yeah. By like 7 miles. I had a house around the corner from here. Matter of fact, that was where the squatter was at.
Damn.
We just passed it. On Auto Drive.
Damn, that's crazy.
Right there off Chalmers.
Damn, that's crazy.
You say what now?
This looks good. This looks good. It's not like, it's not.
They gonna have to do the whole thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to call them just to make sure.
You must be from Alabama, so how you know about the beach? Okay.
Mississippi. You said how far the other one?
Stuffed in the bitch like a knuckle. Got to that back, needed chips like a ruffly double. Now I can take care of my mother. Got me a house, watch the price of another. This check I can bring, got a dime if you want. Came up like
I like this one.
See, then I can come over here, clean the yard up, boy, do the muscle. I like
Oh
it.
yeah.
Like the old days, huh?
Like the old days?
Like the old days.
Okay.
We get a couple guys, you know, a couple guys with some dollars. So he was over here working on him. I got to see.
And look, now this yard is better because kids can, you can really, once you clean it up, boom, boom, boom. Another house, and I just met this young brother. He do the same thing, and he buying houses, and I'm like, damn, that's right.
They all sort of like you. They all make, you know,
Yeah.
fixing the properties and doing
So
y'all was Asian dancing, Anton Daniels, the Shay Show.
I think I heard of Anton Daniels.
That's it. That's all we
I heard of Anton Daniels, yeah.
Yeah, that's like our little core motivators.
it's just crazy. Where's the girl?
Yeah, if we get a chance, definitely check out Asian dancing, though. She
Oh, it's a woman?
yeah, she like, she tied in with more like the downtown. You know, she tell you about what's going on. Like you ever heard of Joe Louis Greenway? And that's something they got, a project they got going on in the city, the Greenway. It's like something like that thing they did in Atlanta. They down there around up around the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, like a bike trail, sort of like that.
I know you're talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they're doing here now. They're sort of taking that same idea and implementing it here.
Y'all brave leaving y'all tools in here. Yeah. I was working on a house. It was on the west side though, on Hubble, and they stole everything.
Man, this little lady right here.
Oh, she watching?
Don't play no game.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, and she got a bunch of grandsons.
Oh, they ain't playing.
She one of the best neighbors to have. Then another lady right here,
I
they
love
like
her.
the presidents of the block club. So.
Oh, okay, so they watching.
Yeah, you know, we good right here.
Okay. Damn, I forgot my light. There we go. These steps straight. Lord knows they be having some raggedy steps around here. Yeah. All right. Yeah, this basement's straight. Oh, so far. Oh, expired. All right, got me. Huh? You said, how did I get into it?
Yeah, you from Atlanta?
Oh, no, I didn't start till I came up here.
Oh, you thought you got here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's amazing. What brought you here, though?
Shit, my mama moved up here when I was probably like 15.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, 15, 16.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah. Came from, well, at that time I was staying in Stockbridge, Georgia, which is like the country area.
Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's straight. This only got a little one crack, really.
Yeah. You got to scrape it, though. Like
Yeah.
that right there. Yeah, a lot of this stuff just look crazy. Once you scrape it down.
Yeah, this straight. This ain't no. It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
I like this one. And this a 3-bedroom too.
I told my girl you was gonna like this. I said, you don't like maybe.
Yeah, I like this one.
She said, y'all ain't put enough work in over there. I said, don't even worry. Sometimes it be about the area.
I'm about to say, yeah, the area and the brick, 3-bedroom, easy to sell.
Yeah.
Always on the phone.
Huh?
Nothing.
I'm cleaning, man. I'm here kicking up the damn.
This good to walk on?
Huh? Yeah, you walk on. This is the first floor I ever did, really, truthfully.
Shit, I remember I did my floor in my house.
Ew, it looks like oatmeal.
Yeah? Want some oatmeal?
No.
Yeah, I did.
It's kind of lumpy, but who's looking?
Scrape it and put some water
I
on
ain't
it.
know what that she was. I
like this one.
I said, come on, man, you gotta be smarter than that. Anyway.
First of all, nigga, it's all us Mankeys.
All us making, that's all, I thought it was all about.
I'm about to
man.
change that name though.
Man, that don't change your name. That's gonna call our attention, bro. I said, what the hell is this?
Hey, when you came on, you said, oh, you all about the Mickey guys. I'm like, oh, shit.
I like that name, bro. It called my attention. I'm like, put this shit on. He's talking about, I said, this the area I'm buying my house in. Put this man on.
It is?
Yeah, well, I know, you don't. Oh, yeah, that's another thing he told me. Now, listen to this. Last night, I said, you want to come out? Because it's another black-owned business called The Legacy.
Okay.
And I messed with
See what I'm saying? He didn't even know.
It's a club. It's a club where you can get receptions where they got upstairs VIP movement and downstairs. You know, people go down there.
It's turning out to be a nice day.
It's black owned, and I wanted to support. So I asked him, I'm a Christian. We don't go to clubs. I'm like,
I said nightclubs.
I'm like, Christians don't go out.
I said nightclubs specifically.
It's not a nightclub where they out there pop.
The flyer says such and such nightclub. So that's all I'm going by.
So you can get a wedding reception there. You can do your banquets.
Man, listen, my nigga.
Sometimes it's always good to make sure.
He used to be a whole different because guy before he was all about the make. He used to have hair down to here, Cartier glasses and stuff. Now he's Mr. Mankey.
I'm a Christian.
I'm a Christian too. I just
Use a what you call it? A newbie. A newbie. You still learning.
I'm a neophyte. I'm just living my life trying to, be better. That's all,
One foot in and one foot out.
There you go.
Like the hokey pokey.
What the good books say? Lukewarm or something. I spew you out. I forgot the verse, but you can Google it.
See, we can Google it.
Same thing. Take me off my thank you.
Thank you. So
I don't know what could I do about these bricks though. That's what can I do about that? And how the hell that happen? How your bricks chip? That's interesting. Is that a little bowing action? See? No bowing. I don't think there's no bowing. I like this house though. Got a little tipping on the chimney. Okay. Straight. Just depends on what a nigga get it for. So that number that's your number?
Huh?
That number?
313.
I don't know about heart. Whoever I take the text.
Yeah, that's my girl. That's the same number.
Okay. I'm about to say, I'm gonna do my numbers. How much you got in it, if you don't mind me asking?
I bought this house for like $18,000, and so far I probably put about another 2 or 3 into it.
18. Let me think here. So I got this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna run the comps first before I make an offer.
Okay. 482.
Might be 4. Yeah, 42. No.
I think it's 482.
I don't know. Let me look it up.